Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know when I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. It's Ipsy time. It's Ipsy time. It's Ipsy time. Oh, I'm currently filming another video. You won't see this before that. So you will see this video before that video. But I'm just letting you know. You're gonna see this and see this look and see this. Okay, let me just go right back in it. If you don't know what Ipsy is a $12 a month beauty subscription that you get 5 sample size products just for you to test out some products, see if you like it, see if you don't. It basically is like $12 and some change, so it's like around $13-14. But it's worth the price because I got the bag that I wanted. It's worth the price because you get a nice makeup bag. And also, if you don't like the makeup bag or the products that are being like shown, you will always skip the month. You can skip the month before the first. They also let you choose one product. So if you don't like the choices, if you don't like the spoilers or my subscription addiction, you can always switch. You will always switch. Woo. So the first thing in the bag. Oh, I almost dropped it. I caught it. First thing in the bag is this right here. This is a Farah brush. This is a Farah foundation brush. It's a little flimsy for foundation. I mean, for liquid foundation, it would just like go right through. So I probably use this for powder foundation. Yeah, I would use this for powder foundation, not for liquid foundation because it needs to be more dense for liquid foundation. And also some hairs are coming off already one hair, already one. That's not good in my book. Usually Farrah brushes are like really expensive, so I would think better quality, but especially for a foundation brush. This is the flat foundation 615 615F. I really like their powder brushes. Their powder brushes are a bomb. I love their powder brushes and I love their blending brushes, their eye blending brushes. So I don't really wear powder foundation that much anymore. The only one I have is the Maybelline one, and I haven't worn that. I wear that in the summer, so I guess I'll be testing that brush out in the summer, but I guess I could try it for liquid foundations. I don't know how I'm gonna wear that though. Anyways, this is the bag this month. It was 2 bags. It was like another one, and I was like, no, I do not want that bag. So I'm so glad that I got this one. This is like a little kiss. I really don't like how this right here, I just want to cut it with some scissors. I wish I had some scissors to just cut it. It's like right here and it's like bothering me. It says sealed with a kiss, and this is Ipsy right there. This is really freaking cute. It's really cute. If I didn't get this after Valentine's Day, I would have had this with me on Valentine's Day. I had like this whole little black number with red lipstick, and I would have loved to have this too because red and then black is like a great pop of color. Ooh, it's like a clutch. Oh, I like this. I like this. I like us a lot. Okay, so it always comes with a card. Celebrate Black History Month. Buy Black. It says Pat McGrath. Labs Mented Cosmetics. I love Mented Cosmetics. Beauty Stat, Uma Beauty. I like their contour. Machino Beauty. Misco Beauty. Okay. It says Send Love, February 2021. Okay. And it doesn't say anything about the products that are inside my bag. Was hoping that I would get some product information because the majority of the time in this bag I get product information, but they was like, no, Kayla, you don't get product information. Well, it says get to know your Glam bag picks valued at $50. So it has to be $50. I really wish I knew how much this thing is. I know it's expensive. It's probably like $12, $14, around that mark. So yeah, I will leave everything linked down below in the description box. Always check the description box. My social medias, everything is down there. Everything that's in this video is down there. So if you want a total of everything, if you want to see the products, see what it is, you know, look at the links and everything else, all of it will be down below. So go check that out. The next thing is, ooh, Code Age. Codage, Codage. So cottage. Oh, cottage. Oh, why would they name their brand that? It's a mask, micro peeling mask. It's a micro peeling mask. Has 0.55 fluid ounces, 15 milliliters. It's exfoliant, brighten. It's exfoliating, brightening, anti-aging. Can't wait to try this out. You guys know I have Mask Try on Mondays. Can't wait to try it out. It's crazy because I did not choose the Farah brush, but that was one of the choices for the stuff. It was one of the choices that I could have gotten. This right here is RE.P. So rep, real elemental practice. It's all night moisturizing and relief mask. Why is there two masks? I mean, I know one is a peeling mask and this is a night mask, but why is there two masks in my bag? I mean, I did say I like masks, and I did say that's what I want majority of the time, but I also said I wanted makeup. Where's the makeup? Besides the makeup brush, where's the makeup? This is what it looks like. Again, I do a Mask Try on Monday, so we will definitely be talking about this in the future. But to be honest, three of the products I did like. The foundation brush could be more denser, so I could do liquid foundation. But we'll test out if I could do liquid foundation with that. Because usually I could do liquid foundation with any brush I really want. Just the way I tap it in, the way that I clean it afterwards. Okay, the next item is my choice item. I need more brow gel. Of course, Benifit. This is their clear brow gel. This is the shaping and setting gel, 24-hour brow setter. That is what the wand looks like. I do not want to open it yet. I'm going to wait until my Anastasia Beverly Hills one fall out. Oh, this is a mini. So it's a full size, but it's a mini. Oh, okay. This is a mini. This is not a sample size. This is a mini. Okay, so mini does cost something like $12 or so. So that's like $24 already. Or $25 if the brush is 13. So $25, so that's half of 50. So that means the other samples and this last sample must be $25 because that will equal 50. I'm just like rounding off stuff. Everything will be down below. Oh, I got my favorite makeup cleaning cleanser from First Day Beauty. You know, okay, I could close this away because everything is set. But you guys know I did a review on this cleanser. If you're new here, I did a review on this cleanser. And I used to not like this cleanser. I used to be like, oh my gosh, it's stripping to the skin and everything else. But it was because it's great to take off makeup. It's great for after having a long day of wearing makeup like I am right now today. I wore this for a very long time. You would think not because like everything was like good. But I wore this like all day. And this is a really good foundation. I'm doing a foundation review, by the way. But this cleanser right here would get rid of everything on my face right now. It would get rid of everything on my face, to be honest. Yes, it would. It really would. And I really, really love it. Especially with like the Clarisonic. Is the Clarisonic even a thing anymore? But it just like totally like took off all my makeup, and I really did love it, and I can't wait to have this back in my life again. Wow. It says remove surface oils, makeup, so true, dirt and grime. This is the only foundation, not the foundation, the only cleanser that I actually could say, yes, it takes off all my makeup. It takes off makeup better than a lot of cleansers. Yes, you know, you still have a little bit there, but that's why it's called a double cleanse. When you have a full beat, if you have just like a regular, just like makeup on, it will take it off. Like, this is a really good cleanser for makeup removing. For regular day, every day, no. But for makeup removing, yes. Like this, oh, this is something else. It's something else. So yeah, this is the bag for the month. And I really do like it. I really do like it. I really do like it. I can actually use everything that's in this bag, and I actually can love everything in this bag. So I'm really excited. Do I wish that it was more makeup? Yes. Do I wish I had a lipstick? Yes. But to be honest, all the lipsticks that they were doing was like red and pink and everything. You guys know I don't do that. That was a special occasion. But I usually do colors like this, or like nudish, or basically in the brown family. It's just that. But I'm glad I got this. Can't wait for next month. I will see the spoilers and everything for next month's glam bag, because I really don't like the actual glam bag that they're putting it in. It's not my cup of tea. So if the choices are not hit, if there's more miss than hit, then I'm probably gonna get the glam bag plus next month. This month I just got the glam bag, which again is $12 a month. It used to be $10, but now it's $12 a month for 5 sample size products. As you saw, you get full size products, a brush, or a mini brow gel. A mini. It's not a sample size. It's a mini. Ooh, I'm so happy about that. Anyways, bye guys. Video right here, head right here. Go check out down below in the description box. Everything will be linked down in the description box, even the total. So go check it out. This was a really good bag this day. Like, this was a really good bag this month. Oh, by the way, it's the month of February 2021. But it was a really good bag. Like, more skincare, like January, but you know, really good bag.